Terminating and connecting patch panels. The patch panel is always placed under a switch on a network rack. One end of the Ethernet cable should have the wires punched down on the back of the patch panel. While the other end should have the wires punched down on an RJ45 keystone jack, which would be placed on a modular box. The wiring of the Ethernet cable should run down the support rails of the rack. First, connect an Ethernet cable on the only LAN port of the wireless access point, or WAP. Connect the other end of the cable to any of the ports in the switch. For this video, we are connecting the WAP to port number 23. Then, connect an Ethernet cable on any of the LAN ports of the router. Take note that you should insert the cable on the LAN ports usually of the same color, and not on the WAN port, which is usually just one port and a different color. Like the WAP, connect the other end of the cable to any of the ports in the switch. Here, we are connecting the router to port number 1. Next, we will connect an Ethernet cable from the patch panel to the switch. The port number does not matter as long as they are connected. Here, we connected 2 Ethernet cables. First is the port number 12 in the patch panel to port number 7 in the switch. Second is the port number 22 in the patch panel to port number 17 in the switch. Remember to properly organize the wirings through the containers. Now, you can connect an Ethernet cable from the modular box where we installed an RJ45 keystone jack to any computer directly. If the connections are properly terminated, the 2 bulbs above and below the number in the switch should light up. This also reflects on the computer screen. On the bottom right corner, the network icon should turn from no connection to connected after a short while. However, the connection may have no internet connection and instead show an exclamation mark. This still means that the connections have been correctly terminated.